Welcome back to Impact Math with Miss Taylor. Alrighty, we have factor by grouping. Factor by grouping. Okay, so we're going to look at the first two terms. And we're looking at what do they have in common. So I see that they both have a 3. And they both have the letter D in common. So we could factor that out. So really remember what that means is I'm dividing each term by 3D. Well, 3 divided by 3 cancels. D over D cancels, so I'm left with just a T. Minus 21 divided by 3. Well, that's going to give me a 7, and D over D cancels. So I have T minus 7. Remember, you can always distribute this back in, and you should always end back up with your original. That's how you can check to see if you got the GCF out correctly. Okay, check your steps. All right, so let's look at our next one. What do these two terms have in common? Well, here they have a -5. So I could put -5. And I'm going to divide this by -5, and I'm going to divide this by -5. Well, 35 divided by -5 is going to give me a -7. And a negative divided by a negative is a positive. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and I'm left with a T. Okay, now, you know I told you these have to be the exact same. And if they're not the same, well, then we can't use factor by grouping. Now, the question is, are these the same? Are they equal? Are you saying yes or are you saying no? Well, let's do a little magic. Let's rewrite this, right? Let's see if we can manipulate this to look like this. Well, if I drop down my -5 and I switch this order, I have a positive T -7, -7. Well, isn't that the same thing as T minus 7 from the original? Yes, it is. So these were equal. And since those are the same, remember we take our outers and we put them together in a parenthesis. And we're going to write this as 3D minus 5. And then we drop down one of our purples, T minus 7. And this is how we do factor by grouping. Alrighty, I hope this helps. Have a wonderful, blessed day. And I most definitely will catch you on the next one. Bye.